Welcome. In this tutorial, we will look at how you can edit individual labels for your Sankey diagrams with SankeyArt. Here you see Apple's latest quarterly earnings visualized as a Sankey diagram. The data is taken directly from Apple's income statement and rounded to one decimal point in billions for clarity. You can change this anytime by going to Labels, Style, Number of Decimals. Now, if an amount is too small to be rounded off accurately, like the Other Income node, which is 158 million in the income statement, and gets rounded to 0.2 billion, you can edit it to be displayed individually as 158 million using individual labels. Again, go to Labels and then choose Individual Labels. As Other Income falls under Profit Types, locate its individual label in the Profit section and simply enter the amount or text you wish to display individually, which is 158 million in this case. And there you go. That's how you can easily edit individual labels with SankeyArt.